Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Chevy Silverado headlights. First, gather your tools, including a new headlight assembly, a 10mm socket, and a flathead screwdriver. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the engine off and the parking brake engaged. For safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal before you begin. Remember to handle new bulbs with gloves or a clean cloth to avoid oils that can cause premature failure. To access the headlight assembly, begin by removing the radiator support cover. This cover is typically held in place by 8 plastic rivets, which you can carefully pry off with a flathead screwdriver. Next, unscrew the 4 10mm bolts that secure the grille assembly. Once the bolts are out, gently unclip the 4 retaining tabs to remove the entire grille. Now, you can easily locate the 2 upper 10mm bolts holding the headlight assembly in place. With the grille removed, unscrew the 2 upper 10mm headlight retaining bolts. For the lower holding bolt, you will need to shift the mudguard in the wheel arch to gain access. Once all bolts are loose, carefully pull the headlight assembly forward, using small lateral movements to free it. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the plastic tab and pulling it straight away from the bulb. You can now remove the old headlight assembly. Now take your new headlight assembly and reconnect the electrical harness, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Carefully reposition the new headlight assembly, aligning it with the mounting points, and then screw in the 3 retaining bolts. Reinstall the grille assembly, securing it with its 4 bolts and clips, followed by the radiator support cover and its 8 rivets. Finally, test all headlight functions, including high and low beams, and adjust the beam aim for proper visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.